Are dates secretly destroying your health? You might have stumbled upon this claim on social media or in news articles. These sites are buzzing with whispers about the supposed dangers of consuming dates, specifically 3 a day. 3 dates a day equals irreversible damage, they exclaim. But what does this irreversible damage even mean? Is it a vague threat to your overall health, or is there a specific ailment they are warning you about? The details are often murky and shrouded in mystery. The fear-mongering surrounding dates is rampant, with claims often backed by little to no scientific evidence. It's a classic case of misinformation. It's important to remember that the internet is filled with exaggerations and misinformation. Not everything you read or see is accurate, especially when it comes to nutrition and health. But before you banish dates from your diet, let's separate fact from fiction. In the next scenes, we'll delve into the truth about dates, debunk the myth of the 3-date curse, and highlight why dates could actually be a fantastic addition to your diet. So, stay tuned and let's unravel the mysteries of this misunderstood fruit. First off, dates are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed full of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, these sweet fruits can do wonders for your health. Among the vitamins, we find A, B complex, and K. Vitamin A is known for its role in maintaining healthy vision, while the B vitamins are crucial for brain health and energy levels. Vitamin K plays a key role in maintaining bone health and blood clotting. When it comes to minerals, dates are rich in calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. Calcium and magnesium work together to support bone health, while iron is important for red blood cell production. Potassium is known to support heart health, and zinc is essential for immune function and wound healing. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Dates are also high in fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. It aids in preventing constipation, maintaining a healthy weight, and controlling blood sugar levels. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, dates do contain sugar. However, unlike the refined sugar found in many processed foods, the sugar in dates is natural and comes along with fiber. This fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing a sugar rush and subsequent crash. This brings us to the concept of the glycemic index, or GI for short. It's a ranking system for the impact of food on our blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI cause a rapid rise and fall in blood sugar, while foods with a low GI provide a slower, steadier source of energy. Despite their sweetness, dates actually have a lower GI compared to many other sweet foods, including those made with refined sugar. So, clearly, dates are far from being the health destroyers they're portrayed as. Instead, they're a sweet treat that delivers a powerful punch of nutrition, and they can play a valuable role in a balanced diet. But just like with any other food, the key is moderation. We'll delve deeper into that in the next scene. But what about the claim of 3 dates a day equals irreversible damage? Now that's a question that's been bouncing around the internet like a hot potato, causing quite a stir. This claim seems to have its roots in social media posts and sensational news articles, and it's been spreading like wildfire ever since. But let's step back for a moment. The number 3 seems pretty arbitrary, doesn't it? It's as if someone just plucked it out of thin air and decided, yep, that's the magic number. In reality, it's more likely an example of fear-mongering than a scientifically backed fact. You see, dates, like any other food, can have different effects on different people. For some, 3 dates might be just the right amount, while for others, it might be too much. It all depends on your individual dietary needs, lifestyle, and metabolism. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not an open invitation to start devouring dates by the dozen. Dates, while packed with nutrients, are also calorie-dense. Consuming too many could lead to excess calorie intake, which, if not balanced with physical activity, could contribute to weight gain. And let's not forget the sugar content. While it's natural sugar and far better for you than the refined stuff, it's still sugar. Consuming it in excess could lead to a spike in blood sugar levels, especially for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. So what's the bottom line? Moderation, my friends, moderation. Enjoy your dates, but be mindful of portion sizes. Think of it as a treat, not a main course. Perhaps a visual guide on portion control for dates could be helpful. Imagine a small handful, about the size of a golf ball. That's roughly equivalent to 3 or 4 dates, depending on their size. And that's a reasonable amount to incorporate into your daily diet, without going overboard. In the end, dates are a fabulous addition to a balanced diet, offering a natural sweetness and a host of health benefits. But like any good thing, they should be enjoyed in moderation. As with any food, the key is moderation. In summary, dates are a wonderful addition to a balanced diet. Dates are a natural sweetener packed with a multitude of beneficial nutrients. They're a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. They also provide an impressive amount of essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and copper, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. Dates contain a variety of vitamins too, such as vitamin B6, which is crucial for brain development and function. They are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damaging free radicals and thus contribute to long-term health. What makes dates stand out is their natural sweetness. Yes, they contain sugar, but it's a natural sugar, not the processed kind that's often linked with health issues. Moreover, the fiber in dates helps slow down the absorption of this sugar, making it a far healthier option than many other sweet treats out there. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Can eating 3 dates a day cause irreversible damage? It's highly unlikely. As with any food, the key is moderation. While 3 dates can be part of a balanced diet, exceeding this count might lead to excess calorie intake, which, over time, could contribute to weight gain. Additionally, while dates are generally well tolerated, they can cause digestive issues for some people, especially when consumed in large quantities. So if you're new to dates or have a sensitive stomach, it's wise to start small and see how your body reacts. As a final note, let's not forget that dates are a fantastic substitute for processed sugary snacks. They're sweet, satisfying, and come with a host of health benefits, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to make healthier dietary decisions. So are dates destroying your health? Far from it. In fact, in moderation, they could be one of the best snack choices you make. Remember, it's all about balance. Enjoy your dates, but keep portion control in mind. And as always, listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. After all, you are what you eat. And with dates, you're eating something truly beneficial. To sum it all up, dates are good for you, but enjoy them in moderation. You see, dates are more than just a sweet treat. They're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that all contribute to your overall health. From aiding digestion to supporting heart health, dates have got you covered. Now let's not forget about the sugar in dates. Yes, they are sweet, but the sugar in dates is natural and comes along with fiber. This isn't the case with processed sugar, which is often stripped of any nutritional value. And when it comes to the glycemic index, dates score lower than refined sugar, making them a smarter choice for those watching their sugar intake. But what about the claim that 3 dates a day can cause irreversible damage? Well, as we've discussed, this is likely a case of fear-mongering. The number 3 seems to be arbitrary, and consuming 3 dates a day is actually a reasonable amount. Of course, like with any food, moderation is key. Exceeding this amount could lead to excess calorie intake, and that's where the problems start. So pay attention to portion sizes and remember, a little can go a long way. So, are dates secretly destroying your health? Far from it. In fact, they could be a delicious part of your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Consider swapping out some of your processed sugary snacks for a few dates. They're a naturally sweet alternative that also offers a host of health benefits. Of course, they are high in calories and can cause digestive issues for some, so it's important to balance your consumption and listen to your body. So, go ahead, include dates in your diet. Experiment with them. Maybe throw them in a smoothie, use them to sweeten your oatmeal, or just enjoy them as they are. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.